Do you want to know how to make some simple but cool redstone builds to improve your world? If so, then you've come to the right place, because these are 10 simple redstone builds to add to your world. Number 10, a minecart staircase. A minecart staircase is a fun and cool build to add to your world. Instead of having boring and slow staircases, you can make one that is faster and looks much cooler. A minecart staircase is extremely simple and requires pretty much zero redstone knowledge to build. It works by having a minecart looped in a track going up and down so that you can easily get in, go up, and then get out at the top. They are perfect for a lot of builds, like a mine-themed or old-themed house, a build that requires a lot of transportation, or even a castle. The blocks you will need are rails, powered rails, redstone torches, building blocks, and obviously a minecart. Number 9, a water secret entrance. A water secret entrance is a really simple way to hide a secret base or room in your Minecraft world. Instead of having a normal door that everyone can see, you can hide the entrance behind a seemingly normal wall, making it much harder for players to notice. This build is extremely simple and requires only a small amount of redstone knowledge. It works by using pistons to move blocks out of the way when you waterlog a stair. They are perfect for secret bases, underwater houses, hidden storage rooms, or even a secret entrance underneath your house. The blocks that you will need are sticky pistons, redstone dust, stairs, building blocks, and obviously some water. Number 8, an elevator. An elevator is one of the most useful redstone builds you can add to a Minecraft base. Instead of having to walk up a huge staircase every time you want to reach another floor, you can simply step into the elevator and travel straight up. An elevator can be surprisingly simple to build, especially if you use line blocks, pistons, and observers to create a moving platform. They are perfect for modern houses, skyscrapers, underground bases, or any build that has multiple floors. Blocks that you will need depend on the design, but you will usually need sticky pistons, slime blocks, observers, redstone, building blocks, and a few buttons. Number 7, a pool that turns on and off. A pool that can turn on and off is a really cool decoration that can make your Minecraft builds feel much more alive. Instead of having a normal pool that is always filled with water, you can create one where the water disappears and comes back whenever you want. This build is fairly simple and only requires some basic redstone knowledge of dispensers and redstone. It works by using dispensers to place down water buckets to fill up the pool, and when they fire again, they take back the water. They are perfect for modern houses, hotels, water parks, or even secret bases where you want the pool to hide an entrance. The blocks that you will need are sticky pistons, redstone dust, repeaters, building blocks, and water, along with a button or lever to control the system. Number 6, a fountain. A redstone fountain is a great way to make a normal Minecraft fountain much more interesting. Instead of simply having water sitting in the middle of a fountain, you can create a fountain that actually shoots projectiles into the air, making it look like the water is constantly moving. This build is pretty simple and is mostly about using redstone to create a repeating animation. It works by using a slime block and pistons to bounce arrows upwards. If you're using arrows with potion effects, you can even make the projectiles look like colorful streams coming out of the fountain. They are perfect for gardens, castles, town squares, parks, or any build that needs a cool centerpiece. The blocks that you all need are sticky pistons, slime blocks, redstone, arrows, water, and some decorative building blocks. Before we get to the top 5, if you're enjoying so far or you have learned a new redstone build that you're going to use, please consider subscribing. It would really help me a lot. Anyways, back to the video. Number 5, a nighttime alarm. A nighttime alarm is a really useful redstone build if you want your Minecraft house to automatically react when the sun goes down. Instead of having to remember when night is coming, you can create a system that automatically turns on lights and plays sounds as soon as the game detects that it is dark. This build is extremely simple and is a great way to learn how daylight sensors work with redstone. It works by using a daylight sensor connected to redstone lamps and note blocks. When the daylight level drops, the sensor sends a redstone signal, turning on the lights and playing a little alarm. They are perfect for survival bases, villages, castles, or any build where you want an automatic nighttime warning. The blocks that you will need are a daylight sensor, redstone dust, redstone lamps, note blocks, and some building blocks to hide the wiring. Number 4, a working bathtub. A working bathtub is a small redstone build that can add a surprising amount of detail to a Minecraft house. Instead of making a bathtub that is only there for decoration, you can make one that actually fills with water whenever you want to use it. This build is extremely simple and requires very little redstone knowledge to put together. It works by using stairs to create the shape of a bathtub and dispensers filled with water buckets. When you activate the dispenser, it releases water into the tub and waterlogs the stairs. So this build is basically the same as the pool just smaller and easier to build. They are perfect for modern houses, mansions, hotels, or detailed bathrooms where you want to add some extra realism. The blocks that you will need are stairs, dispensers, water buckets, redstone dust, a button or lever, and some building blocks to decorate around the tub. Number 3, a rainbow wave machine. A rainbow wave machine is one of the most satisfying builds on this list and is a great way to add some movement to your world. Instead of having a normal wall or display that stays completely still, you can create a colorful wave that constantly moves up and down. This build is a little more complicated than the others, but is still simple enough for most players to build. It works by using sticky pistons to push up concrete. By placing different colors next to each other and timing the pistons correctly, you can create a satisfying rainbow animation. They are perfect for modern builds, amusement parks, or even as a colorful decoration in your base. The blocks that you will need are sticky pistons, concrete, tons of observers, redstone dust, repeaters, and a button or lever to turn on the machine. Number 2, a TNT Cannon. A TNT Cannon is one of the most fun redstone builds you can add to your Minecraft world. Instead of placing TNT down and watching it explode in one spot, you can build a cannon that launches TNT a huge distance across the world. This build requires a little bit more redstone knowledge because the timing of the TNT is extremely important. It works by using several pieces of TNT as the launching charge. Water protects the cannon from the explosion, while the TNT is timed so that the blast pushes another piece of TNT forward and launches it through the air. They are perfect for Minecraft wars, castle defenses, testing ranges, or just having fun with friends on a survival server. The blocks that you will need are TNT, water, dispensers, redstone dust, repeaters, building blocks, and a button or lever to activate the cannon. And finally, at number 1, we have a carpet duper, which can be incredibly useful if you want an easy source of fuel for your Minecraft world. Instead of constantly collecting food or mining for coal, a carpet duper can automatically create more carpet, which can then be used as a fuel source in furnaces. This build is a little more technical than some of the others, but once it is set up, it can save you a huge amount of time. It works by using a combination of pistons, slime blocks, observers, and a duplicating mechanic to repeatedly produce carpet. You can then collect the carpet and send it into a furnace setup. They are perfect for large survival worlds, automatic smelters, or bases where you need to smelt huge amounts of items without constantly searching for food. The blocks that you will need depend on the design, but usually include pistons, observers, slime blocks, dead coral, carpet, redstone, hoppers, and a furnace or furnace array. That will wrap up this video. Since you made it to the end, comment what your favorite one was. Also, please leave a like and subscribe. It would really help me out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Also, check out this video right here. YouTube thinks you'll really like it.